Welcome to APG.Studio channel and another 15 minutes evening stretching right now for public access. And please, if you're watching first time, you just visit my channel right now for your very first time. Please subscribe and click notification bell to never miss any content, because right now we live streaming and uploading videos almost every day. So yeah, enjoy your yoga and fitness videos with me. So we're ready to start right now. 15 minutes evening stretching. On your four to do a few exercise for stronger core muscles to keep your lower back in good health, pain free. To start, check first how is your head. If you're dropping your head, you're looking back. Just correct position. Lift your head. You've got head, neck in line with your spine. So the best if you're just looking space between your hands. And how is your upper body? If you're just dropping everything here in your torso, or you're tucking your pelvis slightly under to engage your abs and support lower back. And without changing position of your hips, you're going to lift your left leg. Inhale. Slowly exhale, bend your knee and swing forward. Keeping your body the same. Movement is only your left leg from your hip. Inhale and exhale. Push your shoulders down. Imagine you're pushing yourself away from the floor to activate muscles in your upper back. Inhale. Exhale. Come on, mistake, people. Just shifting balance to other side. As you start, you've got your knees directly underneath your hips. So when you move your left leg, you've got the same alignment on your right side. Okay? That's the way to really work in correct way to build the strength in your core, especially obliques on your left side. Maybe one more. And relax. Okay, opposite. Checking your position again. Head, neck, lower back, chest. And now as you lift your right leg, how is position your left knee, left hip? Inhale. Exhale. Make sure not rocking your body back and forth. It's just your right leg. Inhale. And exhale. Remember, if it's too many reps for you, just stop, take a break. Everybody is on different level, different strength, different flexibility. Please respect that. If you're with me, two more. On your forearms, toes tuck under and push back. Inhale. Watch your hips again. Avoid dropping your belly, pelvis still tuck under. So try to keep round back. Inhale and exhale. If you're ready for more movement, move your arms forward more. And going to feel deeper stretch in your upper body, shoulders, chest, and your arms. Stretching glutes and your lower back as well. If you've got the right alignment in your hips, got abdominal muscles engaged, active, which means we work with this part of your body too. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. On your four. Knees with your hips width apart, hands with your shoulders. And now I'm going to place your left foot. Where was your hand? And when you inhale, I'm trying to lift and twist your upper body to reaching up your left arm. As you exhale, back to center. Show you from the side. Inhale. And exhale. Watch your left leg. Make sure you're not pushing out. Try to pull in. Inhale. Great stretch for your upper body. Left hip, but also this movement with the twist is great way to mobilize your spine, to work with your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And change the side. Right foot, left hand to your right. Inhale and exhale. Keep an eye on your right leg. Press your foot to the floor. So you're moving only your upper body, right arm, twisting your torso to your right side. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Okay. On your forearms again. Toes like under and again. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Strong abs pull in through the spine. Build the strength in your core, your shoulders, but stretch your upper body, lower back glutes at the same time. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Hold your position. Yeah. Elbows more bent, or maybe arms straight. You're almost sitting on your feet. And now I've got your right arm front of you. Try from the front. So I've got elbow in line with your right knee. Okay. And you're lifting your right arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. Another great movement, great exercise for your lower back to really build the strength in your core. You're activating your obliques, left and right side in your waistline. Great stretch for your lower back glutes as well as upper body. Inhale. Exhale. Don't worry if you can't go that high, maybe here, but try to work with your shoulder as well. Not only pulling your arm, but make this rotation in your upper body as much as you can. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Change the side. Inhale. And exhale. Control your abs, pull in, especially when you're back to center. Two more. Inhale and exhale. And last one. And relax. Now if your toes tuck under, now you can push your belly down. Arch your lower back. Feel this curve in here. Look forward. And when you exhale, press your feet to the floor. And now from your hips again to the other way, tucking pelvis under and abs in. Really make the effort to engage your abs. Inhale. You need to feel the stretch in your belly area, chest and your glutes. As you exhale, stretch mostly on your lower back, not the upper, and really hard work with your abs. Inhale, slowly exhale. If you're not moving your pelvis, you can make the movement just pushing your upper body. Okay, we need the action from your hips. Inhale and slowly exhale. Looks very similar, but this is the way to really work how to control your abs, the tricky part, and also to stretch lower back the same time. Inhale, so back, make sure you're not moving this way. So if you've got your head between your arms, you've got your chin close to your chest, you're probably making movement from your upper body because it's much easier, especially if you've got a round back, hunched back. So try from your hips. Tuck in. So if you imagine string in your lower back, someone is pulling up from this area, not from the upper, but from the lower part, okay? That makes all the difference if you're working for your core. Lower back pain-free and super strong abs. Nice and flat belly. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And relax. Guys, now let's lay down. So forearms first. Bring your hips. And you got forearms front of you. Hands together to rest your chin or your forehead. Squeezing glutes right now. Trying to lift one leg at a time. Keep it straight. Doesn't matter how high. You're going to lift your leg. Point is, you've got your hips on the floor. Okay, we don't want this movement by lifting hip. Needs to be only your leg because that's the way to improve the strength in your leg and lower back. You need to hold your hips square, stable on the floor. If you're fine, you can try both legs together. Just be aware how your lower back responding for this exercise, for this movement. If you're strong enough, continue. If you're feeling muscles start to tired, just go to the child pose and rest again, okay? Give it stretch. Inhale. Exhale, really squeezing glutes. So it's not about lifting feet, it's about controlling muscles here. As much as you clench your glutes, pushing hips down, you can lift your feet higher. Inhale and exhale. Also good stretch for your quadricep and hip flexors. Maybe one more. And now check if you can stretch your arms front of you. Holding head off the floor, trying to activate muscles in your neck. So just few inches off the ground. If you're going to feel, yeah, that's too long, use your one hand, make a fist and rest. So try to stretch your one or both arms, depends if you need the support for your neck. Try to push your shoulders down. This is the way to work with your upper body right now. Still control your buttocks muscles, don't let them go loose. Good breaths in and slowly out. Inhale and slowly exhale. Bring your forearms. Push from your knees to lift your hips and child pose. You can rock side to side. On your elbows, or check if you're ready for deeper stretch with your arms straight. Movement from your shoulders, bring it down. Good breaths. And how is your head position again? Avoid dropping head to the floor. Try to use muscles in your neck instead. And slowly go back. Again, toes tuck under to sit just for few seconds. Inhale, slowly shoulders back and down. Inhale and exhale. One more. And now let's stretch your upper back. Still position upright, okay? Just your head down. Imagine you're pushing something away front of you. Inhale, lift. And slowly relax. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this session. Nice stretching after a busy day. If you're working behind the desk, sitting all day long, that's a good stretching to do. And another session tomorrow. So thank you. If you enjoyed it, please give me thumbs up. You can leave the comments and subscribe to notification bell if you haven't done it yet. And see you tomorrow. Bye guys.